This is an eye wig. It's a chocolate wing liner, and this is transparent. First, nothing like this has ever been on the market before, and it makes getting ready so easy.
These are eye stickers that have lashes attached to them, so when you...
That's not very dainty.
Have you ever heard of an eye wig?
What? I have never walked as fast as I walked to Mara Porter's website the day that I saw her video showing her eye wig and how it goes on and everything. I was, one, intrigued, two, I was tickled, and three, what was happening? Like, I was shook. I needed to find out what was happening. So I went ahead and placed my order, but my order got canceled. And I thought, well, there goes another startup who just seems to be pushing out their videos and I can't get product. That means other people also can't get product. Fast forward a few weeks later, a package shows up at my door and I'm like, I kind of recognize this name. I open it and we had a collection of eye wigs at our door. Today we are going to be looking at the Mara Porter eye wigs. I don't know why I have that accent, but I have it, so we're just gonna go with it, okay? So if you want to see what the eye wigs are, what they're all about, and essentially what they look like on me, then keep on watching.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time?
If you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. I'm not that big of a deal for someone to cancel my order to send me a package. Introducing Eyelids, the world's first eye wig. And I'm like, this is cool. This is very cool. Like a whole PR package, but this is what it looks like out of the package. And it has her logo in the back. This is like, oh, this is legit, okay? If you ever ordered and your order got canceled or was taking forever to come, I think she's selling out as quickly as she's making them. And on the inside, this is what it looks like. She has 3 styles of eye wigs. I will be gifting my sister maybe like one of these or 2 of these and her friends, I don't know, just so they can try it out and see what they think about it. Let me show you what the 3 styles look like. So first we have Hazel's Halo, and it's like a brown smoky eye type of an eyeshadow look with like, you know, slight eyeliner that's like blended or shaded in. The second one is a it's like a cat eye look once again with purple, brown, and black shaded on the very outer corner of the eye. Okay, and then the third one is more like a white clear eyeshadow. I don't know what that one's gonna look like, but I'm very interested in seeing what that one especially is gonna look like. Okay, now at the top of my package it has instructions, so I definitely need to read this, because knowing me, because of the first video I saw, I'm just gonna go and follow that video directly. We have little inserts. Okay, the first, it says, thank you. As a self-funded solo entrepreneur, my purpose is simple: to make high-end beauty easier, faster, and more affordable for us all. I hope you absolutely love your eyelids. Nothing matters more to me than your glam fam. With gratitude, Mara. It says lash customization. Choose from their range of natural, beautiful lash styles to customize any pair of eyelids, or skip the lashes and order a bare pair perfect for girls with lash extensions. Custom fit, that's the next packet that we have. It says custom fit. The right fit is key to loving your eyelids. A quick trim now ensures they're perfectly shaped to your eyes. Do it once and you'll have your custom fit for good. So it seems like the eyelids are reusable. Next, we have the fit guide. To apply, peel an eyelid from the film backing and place it on your clean, dry eyelid. Start at the outer corner and work your way inwards with your eye open. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Oh, okay, trace. Use an eyeliner to trace your eye shape from the crease to the inner corner. Okay, gently remove or trim the excess and reapply. Repeat until you find your perfect fit. I think I'll just apply it. It depends on the size of your eyelids, right? If your eyelids are very small or you have like hooded eyes, then you definitely need to cut it. I feel like for me, I might be able to like fit something on there just the way it is. I really want to do Hazel's Halo. She's that girl. She's dramatic. Oh, wait. The look on the eyes are the same, but the lashes are different. I get it now. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the wink lash because it's the most dramatic lash style out of them all. So this is the one with the lash style Muse. Okay, it says apply your concealer or foundation to your lids before you use the eyelid. So this is Hazel's Halo, but this is the lash style Muse. I will apply this with a tweezer because I am not very good with my hands close to my eyes. I will ruin everything, okay? Now, of course, it opens up like a lash box, and then on the inside, when you take it out, it looks like this. Ooh, do you see this? I am so excited. This is what it looks like when you peel it, okay? It's like, ugh. I don't want to trim it. I just want to leave it alone. It feels sticky, and it says to apply it from the outer corner. I'm going to hold the lash part with the tweezer, and I'm going to apply it like I'm applying lashes, right? I'm going to line up the lash. That way I know that like the lashes are going to sit exactly where I want. Oh, this is cute. It fits into the outer corner of my eye perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna just angle it up a little bit. Okay, I see why if you have like very small eyelids, you're definitely going to have to trim. Oh, come on. Oh no. Oh no. It gets stuck to the metal so easily. I'm gonna have to move it up just a little bit. It doesn't look bad. This is what it looks like. First attempt. It does not look bad. I feel like this thing is dummy proof. Like I can't make a mistake with this. And it peeled very easily off the eyelids. The question is, will it be able to stick back on? Because I think she said it was reusable on the little pamphlet that I read. Okay, these are reusable, it looks like. And personally, I think I would like to stick it from the inner corner, because once I get that situated, everything else will just stick a lot better. Okay, I think I know how I'm gonna stick this on now. Personally, I don't want to cut anything off of these because of how they are. That's how I would apply it after trying it on to see how it fits and all of that. This is how I suggest that you try it on. I'm using the Juvia's Place eyeliner. This is the Juvia's Place eyeliner in the shade Casual, and I will put it on both my lower and my upper lash line. My sister's coming. She's going to make a lot of noise for this. I'm also using the eyeliner to kind of sort of line my eyes. It's going to help with any space that end up between my my eyes and the eye wig. I like the name Eyewig. So here we have it. I am trying not to be perfect with it because I don't want you to think that you need to like have like detailed skills to be able to use this. Okay, now we're going in with mascara because I feel like if you did like a full base like me, my mascara ends up looking brown because of my setting powder, and that becomes a problem. So this first one that I used to try to see what it was going to be like, it's not sticking anymore. I'm going to take my clear lash glue and I will apply some to the back of this thing, like a light layer, you know, just coat it very quickly, nothing major. Come on, come on, come on. I'm just gonna apply the lash glue to it, and I have to hurry up so it doesn't dry down completely. I will say that lash glue might be a little bit more difficult to take off. So now that I have given it some time to dry, I am going to apply it once again like how I would apply lashes. I'm looking down. I'm gonna stick it.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really go house.
I know the instructions said to stick the outer corner before you do the inner corner, but knowing me, I need the inner corner to be perfect, and then I can proceed with everything else. And this is how it's on. Here is where it's very easy to customize. You see how the inner corner, I didn't put it all the way. It's already stuck. I'm busy. I have to go. I'm just going to take my eyeliner and fill in that little inner corner. Nobody's going to know. Nobody's going to know. Let's take this off, and it's very easy. It comes off very easy. Probably once again because my eyelids are powdered down. So I personally would not put these on if I don't have some kind of a powder on my eyes, okay? I want to see what this Naked is all about. Okay, this is the clear one. This is Naked. So Naked looks like something I can apply some color to and it will stay and look good. I don't have any eyeshadow next to me because I didn't think I was going to do any eyeshadow. But I'm taking this brush. It has a little bit of product on there, and it looks like when you rub color onto it, it definitely stays on. I grabbed an eyeshadow palette, and we are going to take like an orangey shade, something that will show up very well, and apply some to it. The color shows up a little bit on naked. Looks kind of sort of like a light, like I did a slight light eyeshadow on the eye. This is it when I put the shadow on it. Dolce. I think Dolce would just have like an eyeliner type of a situation. So Dolce has like a little eyeliner situation. It's a little bit rigid. It's not a bad look, but it's limiting how I'm opening my eyes. If I'm able to cut it, it would just be like an eyeliner type of a situation. I think if she did eyeliners, it would be fantastic. This one, it's not bad if it fits your eye shape perfect. It's a bit freaky. If you're not used to it, you could definitely, you know, you can tell there's something on your eyes. This is what it looks like. It's limiting my, I can't open my eyes all the way, but you know, I'm just gonna have sexy eyes the rest of the night, okay? I'm using my eyeliner and going to cover the inner corner. That way it looks seamless into the skin. I just cannot open my eyes. I can open my eyes all the way, but it's not a bad look at all because she definitely wasn't intending for anybody to do anything extra. It's just a matter of peel it on, apply it, and go. This is what it looks like. Let me finish everything and let's see what it looks like. Okay, honey, this is the finished look. It is so dramatic, and because I can't open my eyes, I feel like it definitely aged my face a lot. Sorry, I look like an old lady. Because I can't open my eyes all the way, it's looking a bit, you know, it feels very different compared to what it would look like if I had actual eyeshadow on. I think that's where the problem is coming from. And also I can't open my eyes all the way. And it definitely intensifies my double eyelid if I try to force and open my eyes. So I'm gonna try to keep my eyes like, you know, like low, like sultry, you know what I mean? So this is from me showing you the Mara Porter eye wig called Eyelids. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about it. Is this something you're going to be picking up? Is this something you want to try it for yourself and see what it's all about? Subscribe down below and definitely turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads from me. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Got big dreams, want bigger rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends.